Since I was young, it was my ambition to become a pilot. I knew that a solid and fundamental understanding of how an aircraft works was crucial.
I decided on SP because of the strong reputation it has. The students actually get a chance to have very excellent attachment opportunities.
There are many facilities in Singapore Poly, many places for you to study, like libraries. You can also hang out in food courts because all of them are air-conditioned.
SP has trained me to think innovatively, honed my critical thinking skills, and provided a hands-on experience.
And everyone is very friendly because you can just go up to some random person and like, hi, and then you just say hi back, yeah. So it's this kind of atmosphere that makes Singapore Poly so unique.
What made it easier was the culture in SP. Besides the friends, the lecturers are also like our second moms and dads. They were always there for us.
SP is somewhere that you can have fun, study hard, yeah.
You won't feel left out.
Yeah,
There's definitely a place for you to fit in.
My journey in SP has transformed me and made me an all-rounded person. Now, I feel confident to experiment out of my comfort zones as I reach for my dreams.
Just come SP and find out for yourself.